I'll guide you through understanding the step-by-step ATM withdrawal process, costs, and alternative workarounds for withdrawing cash from an American Express credit card. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Withdrawing cash from an American Express credit card is processed as a cash advance. While it gives you quick access to physical cash, cash advances are expensive transactions and should generally be reserved for financial emergencies. Before making a withdrawal, keep these financial impacts in mind. Amex charges a cash advance fee of either $10 or 5% of the total withdrawal amount, whichever is higher. Cash advances carry a higher interest rate than standard purchases. Interest begins compounding daily on the transaction date with zero grace period. Separate ATM operator fees may apply on top of standard Amex charges. Cash advances do not earn membership rewards points or cashback rewards. Your available cash advance limit is significantly lower than your total overall credit line. To withdraw cash at an ATM, you must have a 4-digit cash advance PIN assigned to your physical card. To get it via Amex mobile app or website, log into your American Express account, navigate to Account Services, tap Card Management, and select Manage Card PIN or Request PIN. Via customer service, call the phone number listed on the back of your card to request or reset your PIN. After you get your PIN, locate an ATM displaying the American Express or major network logo. Insert your physical American Express card into the ATM slot. Enter your 4-digit cash advance PIN when prompted. Select cash advance or credit on the terminal screen, ensuring you don't select checking or savings. Input the withdrawal amount, keeping within your account's daily cash advance ceiling. Retrieve your cash, physical card, and ATM transaction receipt. Money added to your Amex Send balance is charged to your card as a purchase rather than a cash advance, incurring no extra fees. If Amex has issued convenience checks linked to your account, they can be deposited into a checking account, though cash advance terms typically apply. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.